If you have ever tried to send a video to someone and it was too large, or if you're looking for an easy way to upload and share videos online, you probably heard about Google Drive but don't know how it works. In this video, I will show you how to upload a video or any file to Google Drive and share the link step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive and log into your Google account. Here you're gonna go to the top left and click on New. Here you're gonna click either on File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on what type of file you wanna share. After choosing what you wanna share, you're gonna go here. You're gonna click on the three dots. To share the drive, you're gonna click here on Share. As you can see here, there is restricted, and there's also anyone with the link. You're supposed to select anyone with the link here. Then you're gonna copy this link so anyone with the link can see the drive that you have shared. Once you have done this, click on Done. And this is how you can do it. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.